now that we know that we can successfully receive the response body that a client sends us, we could just take that response body, append it to our global book collection, and call it done. But this could cause potential problems because our client could actually send us any type of body they want, and we're going to end up parsing it. If our client does in fact send us rubbish and garbage and we don't sanitize it and we just automatically append it to our global books list, we could end up with a bunch of nonsense values in our list of books. We need a way to filter out this data such that we only add good book data to our book collection, and anything that we get from our client that's rubbish, we automatically sanitize it and we remove it. We need to add and define a valid book object method, and it will take a book object. The purpose of this method is it will help sanitize the request body that we receive from our client. And only if the data we receive from our client is of good quality, then we will indeed add it to our collection of books. Let's code this up. We need to check whether that book object we receive has the properties that we're looking for. Specifically, they'll be sending us a JSON object, but in Python, that'll be equivalent to a dictionary. In order for us to check if a key exists in a dictionary, we need to write something similar to the following. If key name in dictionary object, what this will do is, given a dictionary object, it'll return a boolean of true or false, whether that key name is in the dictionary object. We need to chain up all the things we need to actually define a book. This would be a name needs to be in the book object, and a price needs to be in the book object, and an ISBN also needs to be in the book object. And what we'll do is we'll add parentheses here just so it's easier and clearer to see what's happening. And if we have a book object that has all of these, then we'll return true. Otherwise, if we don't receive all of these properties, then we'll return false.